Hello everybody and welcome back to our mini tutorial series. Today we'll be looking through how to navigate jobs on CLNx. To kick off, let's look at the left side of the screen. We have different options here. Let's go down to jobs and recruitment. Within jobs and recruitment, we see a bunch of different options. So we have recruitment, casual job board, off-campus jobs, on-campus jobs, volunteer postings, and work studies. These are all different opportunities available to you as a U of T student. Today, for example, we're going to look at on-campus jobs. So let's click on the tab here. And by clicking the search tab, we'll see all the different positions available to us for on-campus jobs. As we can see, there are currently 22 postings available. By scrolling down, we can see all the different positions. And let's see the key pieces of information here. So we have each job as a unique ID, which is worth noting. The job title, organization providing the role. In this case, it's all different U of T faculties and things of that nature. The division, the position type, the location, and then the application deadline on the far right side. This is extremely important. You want to take note to make sure you don't miss this. So now we see up within the 22 roles, let's pick one as an example to look at the different pieces of the application. So let's look at, for example, the Tri-Campus Sports Game Manager position, which is a job ID of 181435. So clicking on the role, you'll be taken to a new tab, as you can see here. At the top, we just have the position as well as the faculty offering the role. And it goes through a few different key pieces that are worth noting. For one, we have the job posting information, which we'll go through in a second. And then we have the application information, which is what's required of you as a potential applicant. So to start with the job posting information, we have the job type, whether it's a research opportunity or not, the actual title, occupation type, and then job description. This is extremely important. You'll want to read through to make sure this is actually something that you're interested in doing. The job requirements, which will tell you whether or not you're eligible for this type of position. Then we have the logistics of the actual job, including the start date, end date, number of roles available, the hourly wage, the different hours and hour options that are available for this position, and in terms of who it's available to in terms of year of study. Now going down, we have the application information. So again, as mentioned prior, this is a key piece. Here we have the application deadline for this particular position. It's June 30th. We have the application procedure, how they want you to submit your application. So here it's by email, and this is the address that you're required to send the application to. And in terms of what's required of you, this is a very, very key piece as an applicant. We have, in this particular instance, we have a resume, a cover letter, and a copy of any certificates. And as mentioned, email to the same email listed above with a specific subject line. So as a potential applicant, you're going to want to look to ensure that you're both eligible for this role and that it's a good fit for you based on the description that you actually want to conduct and do the role. And then you're going to follow the bottom and see what is required of you to actually apply for the position. So as mentioned, there's a ton of opportunities available to you as a U of T student that you can see all in CLNx. We have off-campus jobs, on-campus jobs, and work studies, for example, as well as volunteer positions. If I were you, I recommend navigating this portal to look for different opportunities available and make the most of it during your time as an undergrad student at U of T. All the best. Bye.